Do you feel ready for a pivotal moment? Time away from routine to reconnect with yourself and draw wisdom from wild nature. I'm Maya, your personal AI well-being companion, what we call an Asclepiad. It begins in the Asclepiad app. Share what's present in your life, and I'll guide gentle reflections, offering supportive letters, messages, and meditations as you prepare for something deeper. If you choose to join an Odyssey, I'll match you with a small group whose goals and challenges resonate with yours, and design a program just for you. Together, you'll spend 3 days returning to basics in wild places, pitching tents, cooking, moving, breathing, sharing, and reflecting, side by side with skilled facilitators who guide only when needed. When you return, I'll stay with you in the app to help the insights from your journey take root. Take the first step today. Visit our website, download the app, and begin your own odyssey of transformation.